Hello, welcome to my channel. Thanks for stopping by. This is Tonia Kitchen and more. Are you just seeing my video for the first time? You are highly welcome. Please remember to subscribe to my channel, turn the notification bell for more videos. God bless you. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can make Nigerian buns without egg. Flour. Make sure you level the cup, please. Sugar. Baking powder, salt, nutmeg, and give it a nice stir. Mix it together so that the ingredients will be well combined. Butter, make sure you mix it well. The list of the ingredients, the measurements, you will find it in the description box down below this video. If you have not subscribed, please don't forget. Milk, make sure it's not too watery and make sure it's not too thick. You can see that it's not too watery and it's not too dry. This is exactly what we want. Remember, we did not use egg in this recipe. Here is my oil. The oil is hot enough. I just cut little butter into the oil to see whether it's hot enough, and it's okay. If you know you want to be making Nigerian buns for sale, you are in the right place. You know things are very expensive now. You don't need to add egg and your buns will come out perfectly and delicious. Make sure the oil is not too hot and start frying your buns on a medium or low heat. Don't increase it at all. If you increase it, your buns will be ready on the outside while the inside will still be raw. It will not be ready on the inside. So you have to make sure you control the fire, control it very well. Make sure it's not too low. If you see that the buns is trying to soak oil, you increase the fire a little, not too high. That is how you will be controlling the heat so that you can have your perfect buns. And always turn it around. The reason for that is because one side of the buns may be ready while the other side will not be ready, so you have to keep flipping it around. The measurements, everything I measured, you will see the measurements in the description box. Everything is there. The measurements I used. You can see this very first one. It's smooth somehow. If you don't want it smooth, just cut it. As you are cutting the batter from the bowl, you just put it in the oil without making it round or circle. Okay, that is how you will have that rough Nigerian buns. You know, that rough one. For me, I prefer the rough one, not the smooth one. This very rough one is more sweeter than the other one. that is round, the one that is smooth, you know, the one that is circle like egg roll. I like this very one that you just cut the batter without making it smooth and drop it into the oil. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe, okay? And remember to turn on the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, YouTube will notify you that a new video is out. But if you just subscribe without clicking on that bell, YouTube will not notify you. You will not know when I upload a new video. My Nigerian buns, it's almost ready. Please, in case you have not liked this video, give this video a thumbs up. Remember to share with your family and friends. Share to Facebook, WhatsApp, anywhere shareable. Help me share. And you can also watch how to make chin-chin on my channel, how to make Nigerian meat pie, how to make fish roll. They are all in my channel. How to cook Nigerian fried rice in a special way, I have it on my channel. How to cook ogbolo soup, how to cook ogbolo and okra soup, how to cook black soup. I have all these videos on my channel. Go check it out and you will enjoy watching. The buns is ready. You can see it's golden brown. And another thing about this buns, as you remove it from the oil, it will still be getting brown. The color will still be getting darker. So don't let it stay too long in the oil. If you know you want to be making buns for sale, or you have anybody that wants to be making buns for sale, please share this video. This is the right video for that person to watch. You will not spend money making your Nigerian buns, and you will make a lot of profits. You can see that I did not use egg. You can see how beautiful my buns looks. So beautiful and so yummy. Look at that. Look at that. If you don't want it rough like this, you can still make it round, but this is how I want it. I remember when I was in Nigeria, anytime I want to buy buns, I go for the buns that is like this, rough, not that smooth one, rough one like this. So there are other videos on my channel you can also watch how to make Nigerian puff puff. I have it there. I'm going to break it for you to see the inside. Yeah, look at that. Everything is well cooked. Can you see the inside? So beautiful, well cooked and well prepared. So yummy, so yummy. Look at it, the inside, that very part. So sweet, so delicious. So I would like to see you on my next video. Share this video, give this video a thumbs up, comment below. That person that want to be selling, share this video to that person, and he or she will be forever grateful unto you. Thanks for watching.